The services that I offer are residential home cleaning, and as of this year, started cleaning commercial spaces. WBDC has always been around for me. I can't think of a time that I wasn't making a move or doing something and I wasn't talking to someone at WBDC. They're all knowledgeable. They have just been a very intricate part with me building my business. I received the equity match grant from the WBDC. With that, I applied the money to get supplies, equipment. That makes me feel great because I'm able to keep people employed, and then it's also allowing me to expand into my commercial business as well. When I read the email for receiving the Women Rising Award, I was shocked. I didn't see this coming, and I was definitely humbled and very grateful. My advice to women just beginning their entrepreneurial journey: don't give up. No matter how hard you think it is, you can do this. There's nothing stopping you. The sky's the limit. Can't is not in our vocabulary.